Hello dear students, so here I am with today's economics question paper, ISC economics. So both the papers are with me, question paper is also there and the answer key is also there. So you can see the answer key is here. Okay, so all the answer key, that means full answer key is with me. So now what I will do is that I will show you the question paper. So I have already ticked the correct answer in this option, so you can go through it one by one, so this way we can save our time also. Okay, so the paper is little bit hazy, so I hope this is manageable. Okay, so let us go through it. So slowly, I'm not going to read the question, I'm not going to read the options. Okay, just you can go through it. I'll scroll the question slowly. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1, A, price input. Question number 2, intended supply. Then question number 3, we have option D, increase and decrease in own price of the commodity. Question number 4, D is the correct answer. Okay, you can read it also. So I'll scroll it slowly so that it will be enough for you to read. So now let us move to question number 5. If the government provide tax concession and subsidies, the supply curve will be B, shifting, the right word. Question number 6, supply is elastic if A. Question number 7, the shape of supply curve of perishable commodity will be vertical. Question number 8, the supply of labor decreases with increase in wage rate because A. Number 9, adoption of cost saving technology progress will, the correct answer is C, reduce cost and increase supply. Number 10, the increase in wage for labor will lead to C, supply curve will shift towards left. 11, B is the correct answer. Number 12, D, 33 units. Question number 13, correct answer is B, decreasing. Question number 14, C, substitution effect. Question number 15, B, equality equal utility for the consumption of combination of two goods. 16, B, inferior goods. Number 17, B, which factor causes the demand for commodity to decrease? B, fall in price of substitute good. Number 18, study the diagram given below and answer the question that follow. So number 1, 0. Number 2, negative. Number 3, decrease but is positive. Now number 19. Number 1, A. Number 19, 2, D. Number 19, 3, B. Question number 20. Question number 21, B. Question number 2, D. Option number D, that is D. 3, D. Question number 23, D. Question number 21, 1, A. Question number 21, 2, B. Question number 21, 3, C. Question number 22, if two goods are complementary, then their answer is C, cross price elasticity is negative. 23, C, highly elastic. 24, B, negative. Number 25. So the paper is little hazy, so I'm going to read it. At the midpoint of downward sloping straight demand curve touching two axes, option number C is correct. ED equal to 1. Number 26. What will be the effect on equilibrium price if supply is decreased without any change in demand? The answer is C, it will rise. 27. What will be the effect on equilibrium price when increase in demand equals increase in supply? Answer is A, equilibrium price remains constant. 28. What would the price ceiling lead to when maximum price is fixed below the equilibrium price? Answer is A, excess demand. Number 29. Which of the following is an example of agricultural support price? B, floor price. 30. So let me read out. As per the diagram given above, number 1, equilibrium price has shifted from A, OP1 to OP2. Number 2, equilibrium quantity has shifted from OQ1 to OQ2. New equilibrium point is E2. Now 31. Which of the following equation is correct? A. Question number 32. Wherever the picture is clear, you can read it yourself. Question number 32, A is the correct answer. Question number 33, B is the correct answer. Question number 34, if MP of labor is below AP of labor, the right answer is AP is falling. C. 35. The law of variable proportion states when a variable factor is added to fixed factor, the total product increase at increasing rate and finally total product falls. Number 2, the correct answer is A. 36. When AP reaches maximum TP, when AP reaches maximum, TP is increasing at diminishing rate. 37. One of the reasons for negative returns to factor is overcrowding and management problems. 38. The shape of MP curve is inverse U shape. 39. When 50 hours of labor are spent, total output produced is 20,000 units, and when 55 hours of labor are spent, total output produced is 2250 units. In this case, MP is 50. Now question number 40. This is quite clear, you can read it yourself. C is the correct answer. Question number 41. C again is the correct answer. 42. Observe the following diagram. So on the basis of this, number 1 answer D is correct. Number 2, B is correct, minimum point. .43. The shape of TBC is initially concave downwards and subsequently concave upwards because A. Initially TBC increases at decreasing rate and then increases at increasing rate. A. Question number 44. The type of cost that can be entered in the book of accountancy is money cost. 45. Which of the following indicates fixed cost? D. Interest on loans. 46. So let me read out. If TC equal to rupees 30 at zero level of output, then what will be the value of TFC? The option number C is correct. 50. So 46. 46. Let me see the correct answer. 46. 46. 46. So 50. 50 is the correct answer. Then 47. Match the cost concept in list 1 with their definition in list 2. So you try yourself. Okay, C is the correct answer. Number C is the correct answer for 47. Okay, 48. Which of the following statement is true? B. MC is unaffected by fixed cost. 49. AR and MR curves are more elastic in C. Monopolistic competition. Question number 50. When MR is perfectly elastic, TR is upward sloping. 51. Choose the correct answer to fill in the following table. So the answer is A, 18 and 21. That means TR is 18 and 21 and AR is 9 and 7. 52. The monopoly market has one seller. 53. Selling cost is not required in monopoly and perfect competition. 54. D is the correct answer. Negatively sloped demand curve. 55. In the context of monopolistic competition, which of the following is correct? Answer is C. Freedom of entry and exit. 56. When a soft drink company A roped in a Hollywood star for its endorsement in India, the soft drink company B went in for a Bollywood star as a competitor. This is a feature of C. Interdependence and non-price competition among firms. Number 2. Name the kind of market. Oligopoly. Number 3. Number of sellers in this kind of market are few. Number 57. 1. The TR curve in the above diagram belongs to perfect competition. Number 2. The curve is a straight line because price remains constant. Number 3. TR is calculated as price into output. '58. Study the diagram given below. So the answer for number 1 is 58. One answer is A. Shutdown point. Number 2. Point E1 is break even point. Number 3. The answer is B. Firm must stop producing. Number 4. Point E2 indicates supernormal profit. 59. The answer is A. Normal profit. 60. The answer is B. Only variable cost. So this is the end of today's economics question paper. So thank you very much for watching. So we can see here I have the answer key with me also. See here. Okay, I'll scroll it slowly. Okay. So this is the answer key. According to this answer key, I have chosen the right answer in the question paper. So hope you all have done your economics exam properly. So now focus on the other exams. So this is the end of your